Alright, Sony shooters, this is the Panda. So I'm giving you some context of why you should change your color profiles on your Sony cameras. Now, the EOS HD Pro Color 3.0 for Sony cameras is out. Now, there have been a lot of discussions. I've been doing the research. This is how I found this website for my Canon camera. But I was also looking in for my Sony camera, and everything what I needed to search for was on one website. So thank you, Andrew Reid, for creating this website. So please, everyone, if you are a part of this Panda Nation here, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Like, share the comments. You guys want to support this channel here? Links are down in the description below. Links to this website will be down in the description below. Disclaimer. Andrew Reid did not ask me to do this. So this is just my take, my opinions, why you should upgrade and change your color profiles on your Sony cameras. This will work for images and video. So here it is. This is what I was explaining before. Now, this is on Remio. He explains about the EOS Pro Color 3.0 for Sony cameras. Now, it's available for A7S, A7S II, A7R II, A6300, even the A-mount A99 Mark II, which was an exceptional 4K camera, by the way. And you watch this video, he explains in detail why you should recommend or take this with a grain of salt. You should change the color profiles and update them. And this is what he created out of his own, personal time and effort to help other Sony shooters. So this is from another Sony shooter to another. All right. He explains in this video in detail what happens when you use the default color profiles on Sony, and he demonstrates that very well. But you can go to this website, you can read this information, and as you can see on the bottom, cameras that are compatible: A7S II, A7R II, A99 II, A7S, A7 Mark II, 6300, the A6500, the RX100 Mark IV and 5, RX10 Mark II, 3, and 4. So keep that in mind. So with that said, and future models will eventually be available, like the A6000, the A9, maybe the RX10 M1. So, and there's a lot of A6000 shooters that just asked me today about this profile. Is it available? Not as of quite yet, but version 4.0 will most likely have the A6000 available. But with that said, everyone, I'm the Panda photographer, and I would like you to think about your Sony cameras and the decision making that you do when you're on shoots with your clients, or you're doing some B-roll for your YouTube content or your filmmaker. Watch these videos and maybe he can convince you. He convinced me. I wish they had it for the A77 Mark II. That would be amazing, but you can have everything. I'm the Panda photographer, everyone. Please subscribe, like, and share. And if you have any thoughts, leave them down in the comments down below. And eat, sleep, photography, repeat. And I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Happy shooting.